We moved to a pontoon. There's a southwesterly storm coming. So 5 centimeters to go and the rudder's already touching the ground.
In the last episode, we did a safari from Richard Bay.
Hij kijkt me vrij boos aan.
So the captain did a really good job. No, you can acknowledge. She managed to get the boat out of that corner where we were earlier. And now we're here on top of F pontoon. So it's easy to go out tomorrow morning early. Nop is already in the channel and Marijk is going to call port control now.
Port control, port control, port control. This is Greatcircle sailing out Greatcircle. Hello, this is Sailing Yard Greatcircle. We are just coming out of Zululand Yacht Club and we would like to go out of the harbour in the direction of Durban. We have a sail plan, yes.
Was it sent to port control?
Yes.
Yes, it was sent to port control.
Copy, you proceed and call again before you cross the breakwater.
Okay.
I have to control the camera because otherwise I would be able to get all the lines and fenders off as well. Yeah. So we have to go around that no entry more or less.
Ja, ik wil wel afvallen, maar ik moest dat kon niet doen.
So the waves will be against us for another 10 minutes. Two reefs in the main. We had 29 knots apparent for a short while, now it's a little bit less. It's high tide now, exactly now, so we shouldn't have any tide. We're going to go a little bit further out, as according to the diagrams the current is further out of the coast. We were hesitant about that because there is 39 knots forecasted in the gust there as well. But the wind already seems to be a bit less. In the meantime, we might as well look out of the window every now and then, not to crash into one of the freighters out there. Bye bye Richards Bay. We had a nice time there. A lot of boats there.
Ik ben wel dik stroom mee.
Yeah.
We have a decent wind, especially in the beginning. Unfortunately, the last 35 miles, both the wind and the current stopped completely.
We're trying butterfly. We've put the autopilot on performance 3. Past all the cargo ships. These things do help a little bit.
You don't wanna be rich like everybody else. You just wanna grow old, sit still while everybody else runs. In the meantime, tell me your star sign. I'll make something up about how you have to fall apart to really be someone. There's nothing else to do here but kiss under the stars. I like you just the way you are. There's nothing else to do here but fall into your arms. I like you just the way you are. You're not like the other one. You just wanna go slow, sit still and come undone. In the meantime, you wanna have some fun. Oh, you say you have to fall apart.
Zeggen, dan komen we niet in nog meer in. Ja, we hadden net 32 en nu 32. Oh, this boat seems more stable, right? Yeah. Even though we had 35 knots. And then apparent wind was 27. 34. So we have to remember that the topping lift.
Yeah, Morocco was just saying, tighten that up before we ease the halyard.
Yeah.
Have you got it on the winch that you'd normally use for the halyard?
Just the way you are. Just the way you are. Just the way you are. I like you just
We were in doubt whether or not to continue to East London. We shook 2 reefs out and then the mantle of the halyard came off. Well, we have 2 other ones, so it's not a big issue. This made us decide to jibe again and continue to Durban first. There are a couple of other Glibo boats as well, so it's probably just as nice.
your car. I like you just the way you are. There's nothing else to do here. Fall into your arms. I like you just the way you are.
But Marijke, can you comment on this, that we ended up in a situation of wind against waves? How did it happen? How could you have made a mistake like this and put us all at risk? Woody doesn't seem to be very worried yet either. Here, less than 10 miles to go. Vince of the Durban Marina has space for us at the very end of the northern pontoon, which is really nice and easy. So we'll have to get the fenders out of the locker anyway. We thought we were going to anchor.
you go in here,
We can go on
there,
Wednesday,
and then the
and
balloons
then we
are
could
there.
skip Port Elizabeth and East London. And
There are more. Turning.
there's more on time.
Yeah. Stinky.
So late in the afternoon, we arrive in Durban, and there's a very warm welcome from the yacht club. In the evening, we have drinks on Pom. This is nice, leave it in.
It's a coal train.
And then the next day, Maroro arrives. Comes the new halyard is in. Look what Woody did.
Pretty useful, eh?
Thanks, Woody.
No worries.
Great job.
Not pretty.
Woody is ready to go up. Mark is hoisting him on the black line, and I am going to go on the red line as a security line. So we are going to replace the broken halyard with the old halyard that we brought from the lagoon. The mast is a little bit higher on the lagoon, so we think the length will be fine. And also the sail in square meters was as big as this one. We are confident, but we shouldn't have been. Zo speciaal voor onze Nederlandse kijker, even wat Nederlandse achtergrond. Het lijkt erop dat hij klaar is. En hij zal selfies aan het maken, dus we gaan hem zo naar beneden laten. We were advised not to go over the train rails, which was practically next to the harbor, because it's not a safe area. But in the safe part, there was a beautiful restaurant and we had a fantastic meal together with the group. And in the evening, huge thunderstorms develop. In the next episode, we are going to continue in the direction of Naishna.